Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe for banana brownies that my daughter recently prepared. When you are craving chocolate, try the soft and moisture banana brownies recipe. We had ripe bananas at home, so my daughter wanted to bake something with them other than the banana bread we often make in this situation. In the end, she decided to bake brownies with bananas. It was my first time tasting the banana brownies, and they were really yummy with a twist of bananas. They tasted even better the next day. Let's get started. She had all the ingredients ready for baking. Melt half cup of chocolate chips. She used dark chocolate chips with half cup of butter in a microwave safe bowl. You can also use double boiler method. In the microwave, it takes about 1 to 2 minutes to melt. Stir until the mixture is completely smooth. Mash the bananas until they form a puree with no large chunks remaining. Make sure the bananas are ripe. Set the mashed bananas aside. Take 2 eggs at room temperature. Whisk them thoroughly and set them aside. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, quarter teaspoon of salt, and the beaten eggs to the mashed bananas and mixed well to combine. Now add the melted chocolate chips and whisk again until everything is well combined. The wet ingredients are now ready. Add the all-purpose flour or maida to the wet ingredients and mix until well incorporated. Spread the brownie batter into the prepared pan and bake for 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Allow the brownies to cool completely before removing them from the pan and slicing. Store the sliced brownies in an airtight container in the refrigerator and reheat them before serving. You can also serve the hot brownies with a scoop of ice cream on top. yummy, soft, and moist banana brownies are ready. My daughter was so happy with how the brownies turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for similar videos. Thank you.